always around. I can't shoot them anymore. Technobata is coming down. Feels like I'm knocking on heaven's door. Right.
Camera.
Knock, 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 ang wallet ko. Yeah. Knock, 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 ang wallet ko. Yeah. This portion is brought to you by Digital Camera to capture the excitement and please the action. Knock, 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 ang wallet ko. Kanina lang boy-boy ka pa. Knocking on heaven's door. Okay, once again po. Ayan, special sa mga bata. Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. O yung mga walang name tag, humingi na kayo ng name tag kasi importante yung alam namin yung pangalan nyo. Kasi pag wala kang name tag, tatawagin ka namin. Halimbawa wala kang name tag, tatawagin ka namin. Ano ba? Tatawagin ka namin Buknoy. Once again po lahat po ng guests natin. Lahat po also yung mga nasa loob, the one out there enjoying us here. Anyway, once again po, the day we are celebrating the first birthday of baby. Ricky na tayo birthday niya. Ulitin ko po this party na dyan. So, for each ibig sabihin, kasali po yung mga mudra. Walang exemption na po. Binata, dalaga, may asawa, wala.